Welcome! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to post a poll on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app on your PC using the latest update. Whether you want to get opinions from your followers or just have some fun asking questions, this quick guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. If you're not signed in yet, log into your account by entering your username and password. Once you're on your home feed, you'll be ready to start creating your poll. Next, look for the Compose box at the top of your screen. This is the same box where you'd normally write a post, also known as a tweet. You can click directly inside that box, or you can press the post button if it's visible on your interface. This will open a new window for your post. Now, in this updated version of X, you'll see a few icons below the Compose area. Find the one that looks like a small bar chart, that's the poll icon. Click it. This will bring up the poll options right under your text area. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see spaces labeled Choice 1 and Choice 2. Fill them in with your first two poll options. If you'd like to add more choices, simply select Add Choice. You can have up to 4 options in total. Just type the answers you want your audience to pick from. Below that, you can set how long your poll will run. By default, it might show 1 day, but you can adjust the duration to last for hours, days, or even a week, depending on what fits your needs best. Once your poll options are ready, add any extra text or hashtags above in your message. Then, when you're happy with how everything looks, click the Post button. Your poll will instantly go live for your followers to see and vote on. And that's it. You've just created a poll on X using the PC app. Try it out today and see what your followers think.